lively enough on camera. Even looking the trunks of surrounding cars.
Los Angeles County Raceway, where we're doing our quarter-mile acceleration and our braking test for our 4x4 of the year. Yeah.
I want a $250 gift certificate.
Hi, I'm Christian Hazel from 4 Wheel and Off-Road Magazine. We came out here to bust an axle shaft for you kind of folks at home. I don't like that at all. Show them what a little 4x4 fun can blah 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 blah.
Do I take 2 on that?
It's this time.
Turn that off.
Makeup. Makeup.
Well, makeup. Hello.
Okay, another thing you gotta ask yourself is
The results from this test. 16 vehicles, 8 judges, and 5 days of vehicles driving up behind us that are going to park right next to us.
one more use for the Jake's.
We're out at our 2002 4x4 of the Year competition.
Want to do that again?
Yeah.
What do you do mostly? What's your primary, what?
The north is that way,
North is definitely that way, east is definitely that way.
so the sun rises from the east.
South is that way,
South is that way?
south is that way.
Like that one.
No, not that
He's
way.
getting all
Sun
kinds-
isn't going in the
You
south.
better stop talking.
Careful with this. Oh, that'll buff right out.
Oh, who did that, Drew?
Either instead of or.
What'd you hit?
Rock.
Where?
Maybe we gotta rub his nose in it too. Mad dog.
We can stop talking about this anytime now. But you notice,
Well, the guys from Motor Trend didn't even do that much damage. Okay, another thing you have to ask yourself is what type of driveline modifications are gonna. I can't think. Sort of. Ants are crawling on me like. Yeah, I hate this. They all performed admirably. I forgot what I said. Low range, or crawl range. I can't talk.
Yeah,
Poo poo.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty